Okay, this is actually crazy.
If you guys want to see how to achieve this look, then keep watching. My scalp has been needing some TLC lately, so Yanya went in with the Scalp Balance Eucalyptus Shampoo and Conditioner. To get a 90s blowout, she started off with this repairing hair oil mist. She also added this mousse for hold and volume. Then she went in with a blow dryer and roughly dried my hair before parting it in 3 sections. The blow dryer was faced at a downward angle, and she pulled a brush with some tension to really get rid of that frizz and make my hair as shiny as possible. She pinned the hair so that it can cool with the curl and make it last really long. Then she worked her way to the top, and this is my favorite part, the bangs. She blow dried away from my face, pinned that. Then she went in with some hairspray to really lock in the curls. We let everything sit for a few minutes and started unpinning my hair. Back to the bangs again. I don't know how to explain what she did, so I'm just gonna show you guys some finishing touches, and this is the final result. I'm speechless, obsessed, just amazed at how beautiful this blowout is. Honestly, a good hair day is such a confidence booster. Let me know if you guys try this hairstyle out.